Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign on how you can do that on your pickup. So all you have to do, you just go above your photo, click on it here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list on your profile. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you click here on settings. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. You click here on account. When you click here on account, it's going to take you to next step here. Then you go down. So then you click here on post in news feeds. Then come to this list. You click here on face recognition here. So then you come to this list. You just switch into open video. Come here to recognize me in photos. Click in this sign that like you see disclosure for us, that means it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.